What's up, guys? So, recently I've been wondering how much money small channels like you and me actually make here on YouTube. Because I can't really find information about how channels similar at my size or a little bit bigger, how much money they actually make. I can only find information about big channels because they got really they got impressive numbers to show off, get millions of views, get thousands of dollars. And that's not the case for you and me. So as you might know, the number one way to earn money on YouTube is ads. It's the ads that play before you watch a video, while you watch a video, and after you have watched the video. They are super annoying, but it's the way that YouTubers make money. So we just gotta live with them, to be honest. I want to show you how much money I make, and I want to compare to someone similar with my size, and then I want you to comment down below how much money you make. So before we get into it, before I show you my analytics, I want you to subscribe, and I want you to like, and I want you to share the video so I can grow my channel. That would mean a lot. So we can start by showing my social plate account. If you don't know what social plate is, it's a website where you can find information about channels. See their public analytics, like how many subscribers I've gained per day, how many views I gained per day, and an estimated revenue per day. But it's important to remember that these numbers are not correct, at least the earnings numbers, because it's an estimated from some numbers that Social Plate got, and not the real numbers that we can see in my control panel that I will go into in a moment. But you can see I'm a channel with almost 300,000 views. It's not that impressive since I've been on YouTube for like 9 years, I think it is now. And I got 578 subscribers. It could be bigger, but it could be smaller. I really want to grow to 1,000. But enough of that. Let's go into my analytics. So this is my front page of my analytics. As you can see, it's all in Danish because I'm Danish. So bear over with me. I got 579 subs at the moment. YouTube trying to promote some videos to me, and my latest video efficiency. But that's not so interesting. So let's go to my analytics part. So this is my analytics. Welcome to my analytics. Here you can see all the numbers. I actually got a video that got really popular recently, so I got 1,600 views the past 48 hours. That's amazing for my channel. I got 13.1 thousand views the last 28 days. That's also kind of impressive, to be honest. I got 213.1 watch hours. That's how many hours that my videos have been watched. I got 10 subscribers of the last 28 days, and that's not really impressive. I want to increase that this month. It's always important to set goals for yourself and your channel if you want to grow. You might wonder, where is the revenue tab, because you can't see how much money I make, and I might have clickbait you, but kinda not. I don't make any money on YouTube because I don't have 1,000 subscribers, and we can see under this tab that's called Indtægtsgenerering, where you can see how close I am to be able to make money on YouTube. I need 1,000 subscribers. I got 579 at the moment. And I need 4,000 watch hours. And currently I got 3,388. And not until I reach those requirements, I can't actually make any money on YouTube. And that's too bad, because I got 13,000 views per month. And if you see the past year, 2021, I've got 164,000 views. That's something, guys. That's really something. Now we're back at my social plate site, and here you can actually see that I could have made up to $652 this year so far. And that's really something. I could use this money. Who couldn't? You could use this money. It actually really sucks because if we go back to my past 28 days, I got 13,000 views. And if we look at this guy, his name is Alex. I just started watching him. Really nice channel. So I hope it's okay that I show you analytics to my audience too. You're also bigger than me. I hope it's okay. But you can see that he has less views than me this month. But he earned $45. He earned $45 more than me with less views. And that's because he has 1,000 subscribers. So I think it's really impressive of him to have a channel of this size. I know he worked really hard for it. Everyone does. But I just wanted to show you this so we can compare, because I could have made those money if I had 1,000 subscribers, and you could probably make this money if you had 1,000 subscribers, because many channels have views like we do right here, like he does right here, but many channels who has these views don't have 1,000 subscribers, and that is the reason why that we can make money. So if you want to support small creators like me and like Alex, I would like you to subscribe to this guy Alex, really cool YouTuber, and I would like you to subscribe to me, because I want to grow. I got a goal for myself. I want to grow to 1,000 subscribers before October. So together we can do this. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry if I clickbaited you. That wasn't my intention. I'm sorry. Leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.